Welcome to the Blue Thunder Boys channel. It's me playing Animal Company, and we're gonna explore the new Office update. So here we go. I'm gonna keep this, and then just a rocket for escaping, in case. And now let's go over here. And there's two other people in here, and there's playing in the office without me. So I'm all by myself. That's one thing I know. Oh, that looks scary now. I opened the door. Okay, so let's press that. This is gonna be creepy. What doors are opening? I'm just gonna. Guys, I see you! I see you! I see you! Okay, so my friends are in here right now, and I just found them. Guys, where do we go? Okay, so we're in the office. We're in the office. We're in the office, guys. A card. I found the backrooms guy. The backrooms guy. Run! He's right there. Backrooms guy. Oh no. Whoa. What is that thing? I knew it, what that was. Okay, I'm getting up. Where do we go? Over here. Over here. Okay, I'm just gonna go by myself. What is... Oh. So... This is quite hard. I'm gonna hopefully get back up here without not falling. Key card. Okay, so this is Animal Company, and oh, you scared me. Just wait, I'm coming. Where did you go? Come on. What is that? Oh, what is that? What is that thing? What is that? What is that? I don't want to die. It's so scary. Help! 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 What is that? How do we open the doors? We have to go quick, quick, quick. Go down, go down. Come on. We're going down. Where are you going? Oh, they just left me. Hey guys, what's up? It's another video, and we're doing the world's biggest explosion in Animal Company. So, guys, get some bags and get the RPG ammo. We're just doing the biggest explosion ever. So, guys, we're gonna do it again. Okay, I'm just doing RPG ammo because I just gave them 100,000 money, so they can just do everything. 'Cause they're the best employees for me. Guys, come on, filling this thing up. Nope, stay up here. The grenades go in this corner, you guys. If you have the grenades, they go in the corner. Okay, guys, keep on filling up. No, already have them organized. This is how you're going to organize it. RPGs in the middle, you guys. And then grenades are right here. If you have grenades, they're right here. Okay. So I'm just going to do some RPG for my last money. Guys, I'm officially out of money. Guys, I glitched it. Come here, guys, I glitched it. Come here, quick. So this grenade was like this, just wobbling right here, it's like this, and going down like this. Guys, grab them. Stop. You're emptying out the wrong way. Guys, you think that we're good? Well, it's because we hit the barrier too hard, and we put all... What are you doing? Oh, I'm blind. Guys, we're good. Okay.